March 17th to 24, we're going to start some potatoes. Got seed potatoes from Tractor Supply. These are going to be of the red variety. We're going to take our grow bags that we have here. We're just going to loosen our soil up. Got a lot of rain recently. Seed potato. We're gonna put this year, we're gonna put 2 per bag. Last year I put 3 to 4 and I thought that was too much in there, so we're gonna do 2. Nestle that down in there. We're going to cover it up and pat it down. This one's got a little taller pieces there. And there's one. And we got 11 bags to go. And potatoes are planted. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I believe there's 11. Yeah, 11 of them. So we'll give them a few weeks and see if things come up. And it's March, so we'll probably wait till about July, and we should have some potatoes.